Duckling's first spring. Welcome to spring, little duckling. Look at all the flowers blooming. Who's that hiding behind the reeds? It's a shy turtle. Let's say hello. The pond is full of surprises. Frog char, ready to sing? Jumping high, making a splash. What's this? A mysterious egg. A new friend emerges. Welcome. Sharing snacks on a sunny day. Learning to fly, one flap at a time. Oops! A little tumble into the pond. But it's all part of the adventure. Finding hidden treasures under the water. Racing with the dragonflies. Sunset at the pond. A beautiful sight. Time to say good night to all friends. Dreaming of tomorrow's adventures. Spring is a time of wonder and joy. Until our next spring day, farewell.